Hi, this is Adam with Pro Mold Removal here in Richmond, Virginia. And our top mold story this week comes from a client of ours here in Central Virginia. Our customer had just started a kitchen renovation on their countertops and backsplash. And when it came time to do the easy work of replacing their kitchen light switch covers, they found a surprise. Now, usually this task just takes a few minutes, if not a couple seconds, and it's a relatively cheap way to spruce up the appearance of the light switches. But in this story, that's not the case. As we have talked about before, mold can travel between the studs and walls from your exterior wall to the interior areas of your house. When our client took off the old light switch covers, they revealed black mold surrounding their light switch boxes. The client then proceeded to take off the remaining light switch covers. Luckily, out of the remaining light switch covers in the kitchen, they only found one other light switch cover that had black mold. Once the client discovered the black mold, they contacted us right away, and we came over immediately, upon which we found the source of the issue. The moisture we found was coming from a leaky outdoor faucet that had a leak in the crawl space, which was directly located underneath the kitchen area. If you have a mold or moisture issue, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us on our website at promoldremovalrichmondva.com, or you can give us a call right away at 804-534-2273. Again, that number is 804-534-2273.